I want to move into the city and hopefully get a job as a photographer, work my way through college. What about you?
Headed for the city too. Can't wait to get out of here. I wanna
What?
act on stage.
Really? Oh, that's perfect.
Some dream, huh?
That's nothing to be embarrassed about. You have a job. You know, Harry doesn't live on a little place I like to call Earth.